You're about to understand something most men never truly realize, something that can completely change how you behave in relationships. At first, it may sound strange, even opposite to what you've always believed, but it works again and again. Before we go deeper, subscribe because what you're about to learn will change how you see yourself in your relationships. Most men believe that being close all the time means love. They think always being present shows care. They assume that being available proves devotion. So what do? They text constantly. They check in all the time. They rearrange their entire life around her. They wait, they anticipate, they try to impress. And almost every time it backfires, she pulls away. Her interest drops. The attraction fades. And the man feels confused because he thinks he did everything right. But the truth is he didn't, not in a moral way, but in a psychological way. Here's what you need to understand. Distance is not rejection. Distance is power. Distance is respect. When you give a woman space, you're not abandoning her. You're showing her something important. You're showing that your life has value, that your time matters, that you have standards, that you have boundaries, that you are not someone who can be controlled through attention or emotion. Do you realize how rare that is? Most men are desperate for approval. They want her attention, her validation, her affection. And this need shows in everything they do, in how they speak, in how they act, in how they make decisions. She feels this immediately, even if she doesn't think about it consciously. And it pushes her away. Women are naturally drawn to men who have purpose, men who respect themselves, men who don't depend on them to feel complete. This doesn't mean you become cold. This doesn't mean you ignore her. This doesn't mean you play games. It means something deeper. It means you have a life, a real life, a full life that doesn't revolve around her. Think about it honestly. If your entire world is built around her, then what do you really have? No identity, no direction, no purpose outside the relationship. And that is not attractive. It feels like desperation. But when you have your own life, everything changes. You have goals, you have routines, you have your own priorities. And because of that, she starts to see you differently. She becomes curious. She starts to respect you. She begins to feel something stronger. Distance creates mystery. Mystery builds attraction. Attraction builds desire. And desire builds real connection. Not the weak kind, not the needy kind, but something strong and lasting. Now understand what real distance looks like. It's not about ignoring her on purpose. It's about being busy with your own life. You go to the gym because that matters to you. You spend time with friends because that matters. You follow your goals because they matter. You don't cancel everything just because she wants your attention. Your life continues with or without her. And she notices that. She sees a man who respects himself, a man who has direction, a man who cannot be consumed by a relationship. And that becomes attractive because she doesn't want to be your whole world. That creates pressure. That feels heavy. She wants to be part of your life, not your entire life. That difference matters. Distance also protects your identity. Who are you without a relationship? What do you believe? What do you stand for? Most men don't have answers to these questions because they lose themselves inside relationships. They become whatever is needed to keep her happy. And that's where everything starts to break. You cannot attract someone to emptiness. You attract through strength, clarity, and purpose. When you spend time on yourself, when you stay focused on your path, when you build something meaningful, you naturally become more attractive. Not because you're trying, but because you're no longer trying to impress. You're just being real. And that's where real power comes from. Let's go deeper. Distance is not just a strategy. It reflects self-respect. When you create space, you're saying something important. You're saying your time matters, your energy matters, your peace matters. And most men don't truly believe that about themselves. They put her first in everything, her feelings, her comfort, her needs, and they place themselves last. And then they wonder why they feel empty, why the relationship feels weak, why she loses interest. Because they gave away their power. They became dependent. And she feels that. Even if she doesn't say it, she notices it. And it makes her lose respect. She doesn't want a man who follows. She doesn't want someone who seeks approval all the time. She wants a man who leads his own life, a man who has standards, a man who has boundaries, a man who respects himself. That's what distance shows. When you don't reply instantly, when you don't drop everything, when you maintain your own space, you're sending a signal that you matter, that you have options, that you're not desperate. And that signal is powerful because most men don't have it. They are always available, always ready, always trying. And that destroys attraction. Not because relationships need games, but because relationships need respect. You cannot respect someone who doesn't respect themselves. And you cannot feel attraction towards someone who has no boundaries. Distance brings that balance back. Now let's talk about purpose. Real purpose gives you natural distance. When you're focused on something meaningful, your attention is not always on her. Your energy is going somewhere bigger. Your purpose becomes your direction. It becomes your identity. And she sees that. She sees a man who is building something, a man who knows where he is going, a man who doesn't need her to complete his life. He wants her, but he doesn't need her. And that difference is everything. When you have purpose, you stop chasing. You stop trying to prove yourself. You stop looking for validation. You just keep moving forward, and she either joins that journey or she doesn't. And you're okay either way. Because your life doesn't depend on her decision. That's what healthy relationships are built on. Two complete people choosing each other, not completing each other, but adding to each other's lives. That's real connection. Now think about what it means to be grounded as a man. It means knowing who you are. It means knowing what you accept and what you don't. It means standing firm without needing approval. A grounded man doesn't change based on someone else's mood. He doesn't lose himself to keep peace. He doesn't sacrifice his values just to be accepted. He stays steady, calm, strong. And distance helps build that. When you don't give in to pressure, when you don't break your boundaries, when you stay focused on your path, you become stronger. You become someone who leads himself. And that creates attraction. Because she doesn't want to carry you emotionally. She doesn't want to be responsible for your happiness. She wants a man who is stable on his own, a man who can stand alone, a man who chooses her, not needs her. That's what distance proves. Now let's be honest. Most relationships fail because of this one issue. The man becomes too available. He becomes too dependent. He loses himself. And when that happens, respect disappears. And when respect disappears, attraction disappears. And when attraction disappears, the relationship ends. But this can be avoided. When you understand distance, when you apply it, everything changes. The relationship becomes stronger. The attraction grows. The respect deepens. And the connection becomes real, not forced, not fragile, but natural. Think about the strongest couples you know. Do they look desperate? Do they look dependent? No. They look balanced, independent, strong. They choose each other not because they have to, but because they want to. That's the power of distance. Your space is your strength. Your boundaries are your power. Your independence is your value. These are not selfish things. They are necessary. When you truly understand this, everything shifts. You stop trying to win her over. You stop trying to earn her love. You simply live your life. You follow your path. You respect yourself, and she either sees that or she doesn't. And you're okay either way, because your worth is not based on her opinion. Your worth comes from within. That is freedom. That is power. Distance is not about losing her. It's about finding yourself again. It's about rebuilding your identity. It's about becoming a man who is respected, not because he demands it, but because he lives it. You're not pushing her away. You're returning to yourself. And from that place, everything becomes different. Your presence becomes valuable. Your time becomes meaningful. Your attention becomes something people appreciate. And your love becomes real because it comes from wholeness, not from need. This is what she truly wants. This is what you truly deserve. Real connection lives in balance, not too close, not too distant, but grounded in self-respect. Before you go, subscribe because this understanding will keep growing the more you apply it. Distance is power. Remember that. Live it. Become the man who respects himself, who leads his life, who chooses with intention, and who loves from strength, not weakness.